So when you didn't hear, why not?
Often I'm Chelsea for money.
Oh, sir. It's
But and then
it's a cry.
And I made it 3-0 view.
3-0 as in one age.
See a bomb 3-0.
Could be
bad.
Oh, Matissa, man, for your analysis be now.
Analysis be.
I'm a slicker.
I didn't know.
So Chelsea that fit. And Manchester United assistant. And he's a Chelsea that fit. Na Manchester that assistant to the mismatch. Obia ni baby a result no bako. And
I say
what sort of analysis is this?
This is the normal analysis.
What do you mean normal analysis?
This is the normal analysis.
Yeah, analysis. Oh, Manchester United.
Eh.
Where games are a drew form guide in follow. So
but we do follow.
Oh, follow.
We do follow from.
Because you emfa.
And I be sure
Emfa.
They ain't emfa.
Unless say the no na me catch mo no ye kasa yi. Nye decide is okay. Ye Champions League no na ye number 1 priority. And it's likely about Champions League. Enti ye mpese be deny mo because ye nua na mo. Ye be some so bobo Champions League na nyame adoma next season the Champions League no eye de. So ofa ba bia na discussions ni mo eye de. Enti ni abagu ye ho ne ya mamo points no na mo de akobo. Ba some ye mo sa se bo ni mu nimbo na mo da fit any idea e be mo akobo conference. Mo Europa conference. Kofi nti mo nim nkomo yi why from Sabria copy 6 ya ntem nka dia e ba ba bo no ma game
bi ani nkomo e be hye mo team Manchester United team ya number
nti muntua
one series kra munya
muntua
me wo 39 hours bro e betima man 5 series na mo yaguso
okay
uba won twara mo fanye mo team ni
amafo se ya me quick load
this is a mo quick load Nhyira ya ba be TS kama mo it's the job was done. And Juma Hansi did a flake in one season. What was our picture of Hansi Flake now the first day at Odru Spain, Barcelona come on? I know Gina train station, get on the backpack. It all started from that day. Alright, before I go and I talk about players normal ball born, I think say a right say and common baby a yedi kono. One Laporta deserves a lot of credit. To be very honest with you. Rich, Barcelona financial situation. It was not good. Yeah. I said 2 seasons ago, I kept on saying, the end will justify the means with Nyabasa. And that was always a phrase that I've been using from Modi, Cruyff, Munkra, all of them, Matteo Alemani, almost setting up a team that will do very good financial engineering to get the players to Barcelona and get them to succeed. Some players, Christiansen and not starting, it was for free. €0. You look at the other Barcelona players, yes, Jules Koundé, at a point in time from Sevilla, Cromono, when Chelsea for they push it for him, Rafinha, these are the ones that they committed huge sums to. But then were a lot of financial engineering, a core of the team from Barca's La Masia. And then Spotify company no nyame adoma statistics in be August by September October Barca expecting to go back to the Spotify company brand new stadium in a time when Barca for struggle to get money.
Great job,
very good job from Juan Laporta. Champions League semi-final. It has been almost 7 years Barca and Timico Champions League passing the quarters. You've gone to the semi-final. Champions League final.
And now more and I think under 20 or so.
Yeah, Waji.
And so much, yeah.
So it tells you that as a club, Rich, and I probably don't remember. This is a Barcelona team and over season we won Rich. The percentage of La Liga team before the moment to possibly win the league was 10.2%.
Including Minumino.
Yeah, because now Mbappe about become Madrid team last season. Why are lecturing the best team in Europe? It's then a Barca with a new manager and Hansi Flick. They literally turned this team of individuals into a machine. So for me, it starts from the boardroom of Juan Laporta, a Juma Wire or Honum, then it comes back to Hansi Flick Nankasa any players now, no more partners on Rich. It was a super job and yeah. I think that sometimes in life, say bibi kuya mawa, you see say the pieces no will begin to come together. And I'm saying this off the back of, look at how Xavier free Barcelona. Then Hansi Flick and Mayimo. Rich, people who don't know the Hansi Flick to Barcelona story no will think say last season he almost started in common. First time and one Laporta I contemplate said Xavi may go. They had spoken to Hansi. Hansi was pushing for the Barca job. In fact, in Kofoyo the comments, but say, then a Chelsea money are there did not get Hansi Flick. Hansi Flick has always been focused on Barca Jumana. And when the opportunity came, whatever fair Jumana. Which you remember the story of Marc-Andre ter Stegen? You started season, you're born a kama. Ter Stegen goes down injured. Barcelona probably thought that their man was going to be Naki Peña. Then Wojciech Szczesny said, "Onya a call from Barcelona through his agent." Oti Beach, you know, then the banning Nhyira, enjoying their times because we're retired from football. So Barca called about no compensation kubeti. But he remembered said there's a Polish man to say on one Barca team with him in a branch of friend Robert Lewandowski. So you want to go to Barcelona. And in going to Barcelona, Rich, and ran a joke in the first half. Again, Wojciech Szczesny reminded everybody of how important he has been to the Barca season. Yes, Rafinha, super. Lamine Yamal, super. Fermin Lopez, Pedri, Obia. But Wojciech Szczesny has been such a difference maker for Barcelona team. No? And
whoever will take that decision,
yeah,
by jam.
Is rich.
Yeah,
is rich. The thing is that I don't even think that the decision was taken from a point of view of your quality. At that point in time, Barca wanted Yeniska into opportunity ben our market remember. So I don't want to say lack because I won't be fair to the person. I'm sure some thinking went into it, but I was thinking from the point of view of opportunity. Oh, why now you bet my for free? And what the Szczesny say, oh no buy you. Dressing room number 2 crown as a crown person born. They want to play, they want to win. So him as an older person, he had to put himself in shape to deliver for them. Which we see now. In the opening 30 minutes, Espanyol had 2 glaring chances. Who's Espanyol? First round game on the Barca boy. Omunami the best team and Omutimi get it over Barca for highline year. And they did same and Nanajo. But Wojciech Szczesny was the key difference maker in the first half to keep it 0-0. And now again, you could talk about that and give a lot of credit to our branch friend Wojciech Szczesny. It's rich. Me, I knew say no matter what, Barca were going to go into the game and then win the match against Espanyol fun. And Minu Yajatum say probably reasoning Tia Barca for have been this successful this season is largely because of Ejuma Man we are here, from the mental point of view. And I think that's the master stroke. And then after the game, Barca for players to be so celebrate to a park and Espanyol for the BA sprinkler. And I'm going to flick APP and the boys sing us to be anchored dressing room. Yeah, celebrate to a park. So we finish, we'll go and celebrate at the furnace and Munjik Honum near Ejuma Honum. You could tell that he understands certain moments. Or any new all the Barca players do speak highly of him. Rich domestic treble, Barca for landed. Omagine the Copa del Rey, Omagine the Super Copa de España, Wajid the La Liga, their first domestic treble since 2017-2018 season under Hansi Dieter Flick, and also double Copa del Rey in La Liga in one season. Barca for 9 of them, Athletic Club de Bilbao 5 in terms of champions. Spanish La Liga and Casa Madrid were 36, Barca were 28 of those titles, and then it was such a good night. This is the video. Espanyol for the ABA sprinklers not onto them. Which you see, the game in itself, by the time the second half was coming, I knew that Barca would find a way. That game was very feisty, and Espanyol were not fully safe. Ombetinha are relegated. In coming at 1 point and after 3 points, now they would have been in a place where they would have been fully safe. Which, when the game ended, just before we talk about the celebrations, what I want to ask is that Kopama Kodin Komewiaro says he best player we are say a branch of Lamine Yamal. No, no Kopama Neshana, a branch no more no bono. Confidence no ho and he plays it with ease. Me bisa. The Ballon d'Or, who is he going to?
Who me verdict on it?
Who verdict on it?
Lamine Yamal.
You see,
Rafinha numbers no. Undoubtedly. Obiara ni obe signs and numbers no aka say yemfama Lamine Yamal. But look, game changer. We are talking about 17-year-old boy. Big games. Big games and guess what got done. Ona who Lamine Yamal or decided game the Barcelona.
I think that you
make a call it short, no.
I think that you make very valid arguments for Lamine.
Me, I brand to you, say Ballon d'Or.
But what I'm trying to, I don't think say Lamine Yamal over the course of the whole season is even close to Dembele.
Also Dembele.
You see, and so me making a point, Rich.
Okay, but me too,
Ballon d'Or no a trophy. They are the best player over the course of the whole season. There are certain parts of the season. In fact, in the last 3 months or 2 months, Lamine Yamal is unstoppable. Washa against Inter back to back, Washa against Madrid. Like he has been unstoppable in that point in time. Before Lamine Yamal's current form, Rich, Sisi in Pimpri, Sisi Jamino Kasei, Lamine Yamal is the best player. But before this moment, Rafinha had done the job long through, and Rafinha has been very consistent. Maybe 1 or 2 games Rafinha will not score, but the third game Rafinha will be. And it has been same even the course of 2025 from December Remono. Rich Ousmane Dembele has been super. So I understand the Lamine overboard penny age difference making, but the consistency throughout the season. I would put Rafinha and Ousmane Dembele ahead of him.
Okay.
And then in terms of the Ballon d'Or conversation.
Of course,
that was what I wanted to ask.
Fiifi question no busa no Ballon d'Or ni amfama hwan.
Ballon d'Or na hwan.
Rafinha, Dembele, Lamine Yamal. Bruno de yenyi mfima ho. Yenyi Bruno mfima.
Yenyi serious nko.
Na mi dia agro.
Bruno Fernandes.
Omobo.
Onye player.
Because
it's like saying how can and Barca needed somebody.
Okay.
And it was Lamine Yamal again, cutting off from the right hand side. And a climaxing Barca celebration in for me is that everything that they did on the night from the Barca Academy, Daniel Monsabo, Lamine Yamal, Humbomu, Fermin Lopez in the second goal, you could tell these are Barcelona boys through and through that got a job done. And now, me who saw data away after the game, I decided to look away from it. I must say, the only Lamine Yamal at age 17 had 2 La Liga titles, just as near Cristiano Ronaldo at the numbers at age 17 are rich. The last time I made this come away, I will love it from Lamine Yamal numbers at age 17 are way better than Lionel Messi. But in coma, you didn't and 17 years in coma. It is the consistency. So Lamine Yamal to me keep it consistency now. Then he gets there because he has been super in how he has been playing. And then Yamal, but for me, Ballon d'Or conversation in I think say a Rafinha and now say a Brantia friend Ousmane Dembele before a Brantia your friend Abrantia your friend Lamine Yamal over there. Very, very important one. Rich top 5, you know. You running in anywhere. And either Chelsea for will have the final push to go to the final day against Nottingham Forest. And now said we'll be going to Nottingham Forest knowing say at the end because I've said it several times. Rich, some mathematics we've gone through several times. And the conversation is straightforward and simple. Say Chelsea person about Champions League Nibia. It's imperative for them to beat Manchester United. And I like near Enzo Fernandez on Instagram. Which Enzo Instagram or the Ababe to say match no money Man United Ababe Bono. Chelsea last home game of the season. Last home game of the season. And they have to win. And I think that it is very important. Say I don't remember reminder of some last home game. After that game, they go away from home to Nottingham Forest to go and play at the City Ground in the last game of the season. Rich, Chelsea and Manchester United this year 65 times. Obia winning 19-19. Home wins Chelsea were 13. Home wins Man United were 13. Away wins Chelsea was 6. Away wins Man United was 6. Rich draws no 27. It means that apai head to head no apai.
You may have a bragging right.
It's United be pay the bragging right. And I like me na Ruben Amorim kai. Amorim say on team man be resting player for 9 days to the Europa League final. Ede nkwa. Or be rested at 9 days. Or say no good for them. Into a match no. Or in the full squad bebo. Now, he is hoping send him a basi. The last time a United bar Manchester United bar Stanford Bridge, no, and almost same is here. And you say, you know more on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday nights and quadi edimo. It's your neduma bedimo. Okay. You know more starting boy, you know. You can't watch na. You who answer Muli 3-2 in the 99th minute. Rich. Last minute na ko pa ma kire mo ze adwuma no yeni mu ye chiem ene ye ma adwuma dem nti me ye very very certain match dey enye kasa tenten enye plenty talking Romeo Lavia wo ho Enzo Maresca wo ho Enzo Fernandez wo ho obi a wo horom enwewe eye 3-0 pe agbena na yeni mu awie yenya ni mu wia na bibia aye fa me kasa bebre nti meja amana si wono na me de me code no amatiefo na ene o matimi atwa na o makofikasi na bibia aye kam omo there is nothing else to say but and then you made Manchester United mo beje ene de ne ma mo 3 and 2 pe e ma mo
mu tueska no
o ye be shemo ene ye tia ka pre be shemo
is it as mo emumu
ye be enyumu
na mo discard be
Manchester United
Someone anya Kofi. You have a conference. I'm telling you.
Who's our for your better anymore?
No problem. No problem. And still, I'm personal stretch argument. Because I saw me winning me.
Umbe to go in mass.
They mean person.
Min ka we ni chiro mana.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Who do you come
here? Code ni tu jana.
Why code ni tu jana? And then one better Kofi kesi no games now on English Premier League go ho. I think the Spanish La Liga also a lot of games because and then you made rich. And now after now games, then they have 4 codes. First one here 1D B6 CE 4C. Second one here 1D B6 D012. Third one here 1D B6 CD33. Fourth one here 1D B9 A771. And the last one here 1D B6 CAEE. Rich. These are the codes. The meaning say Obama Machiska and I say yen kombra na yalambra me after we interview now.
I'm so ready to
minche drone. And your first 2,000 Ghana cedis, Rich. Equama number.
0597815 and last 3 digits. My reason I am fan numbers in